Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Kia Rio S. This is the 5-door model, finish here in Phantom Gray over black. I do feel that the Rio5 is the best looking Rio. I'm not a big fan of the looks of the sedan, but it doesn't look terrible either. This one here, as equipped, is 17890 with heat, of course. Backup camera. All right. I'm gonna try to make this a relatively quick video because I still have one more car to film and it's getting dark. I don't like filming in the dark. It's not fun. The Rio is our smallest car. Based on the same platform as the Hyundai Accent, this is the Rio. Comes in a sedan or 5-door. 5-door, 4 doors and a hatch. That's where the term 5-door comes from. Believe this is a 1.6 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with the IVT, Kia's version of the CVT. Not a bad transmission, actually fits the car quite well. Not bad on acceleration either. It's a small little car. I know for a fact it's making less than 200 horsepower, but it doesn't feel too underpowered. The IVT, of course, uses a series of belts and stuff like that to mimic gear ratios. In order to create passing power. And this has plenty of it. Not sure if this is the fully... I don't think this one is fully loaded. I'm pretty sure you can get some more options in them. Handling wise, it's a small little light car. It's gonna handle pretty well just due to the nature of the platform. To aid with that sporty feel, you can go ahead and put it in sport mode. Does weighten up the steering a little bit, makes it a little bit heavier. Changes the IVT's response, keeps it up in the power band a little bit longer. Brakes are good. Though I do suggest not slamming on them in a corner like I did out of just pure response, because I felt the rear start to rotate and that's not ideal, especially in winter. Don't go, don't go, don't go. kind of unique. They don't make a lot of small, tiny cars anymore. The Chevy Sonic is going away. I think the Spark is all done. Either that or we just haven't gotten them. Small cars are really, really going away. Sad as it is to say. Didn't mean for that to rhyme, but sure was on time. I really need to stop. I need to get a life. Not bad. Oh, it honestly is a lot of fun to drive. This is a perfect new car for somebody. If they're looking for their first car, we run great lease specials on these. Or if you're just looking for a little runaround car, a little daily driver, Rio is perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.